Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Blackpink Jisoo's plushie. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off at the top and let's draw the bow. Let's draw a small curve. And then bring it down from both ends. And close it off at the bottom. Now from the top corners, let's curve it out and up. And then let's curve it back down and up like this. And then inside, let's draw a curve out and down. And the same on the right. And that's it for the bow. Now let's hop underneath and draw the shape of the head. We'll start with a curve down and in on both sides. And then a curve across the bottom. Now that we have the shape of the head, let's hop in and draw the face. Let's start with 2 circles for the eyes. And then inside, let's add a smaller circle on the right side. And then color both of the eyes in black. Now on top of each eye, let's draw a curve out and flick it up at the ends. And then bring it back in. And then one more eyelash underneath. Then on top of each eye, let's add a small curve up. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's hop to the center and let's draw a small oval for the nose. And then color it in black. Now top underneath, and for the mouth, let's start with a small curve. And then from the ends, we're going to curve it back around and down. And one more curve across the bottom. Now top out, and we're going to draw a circle on each side for the cheeks. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop to the top and draw the ears. On top of the bow in the center, let's draw a large curve up to the left and bring it down. And let's do the same thing inside. Now for the right ear, let's draw a curve up, stopping a little bit lower. Then a curve out to the right. And then let's curve it back in and up underneath. Now underneath on the right, let's draw a curve down to the bow. Another curve down next to it. And then a longer one down on the left. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop down and draw the body. Let's hop underneath the head. We're going to leave a gap and let's draw a curve down on both sides for the sides of the body. Now let's hop up, and for the arms, let's draw an angle out on both sides. And then let's curve it back in underneath. Now inside each of the hands, let's draw a large circle. And then 3 smaller ones on each hand. And that's it for the arms and hands. Now let's move back down to the bottom and let's draw a curve across in the center. And then for the legs, let's draw 2 lines down underneath and curve them out at the bottom. Now top out to the sides and let's bring it down and in. And then a curve to close off each leg. And lastly, inside the body, let's draw a large heart shape. And that's it for Jisoo's plushie. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!